All right, folks, this is lot 119A. This is a Sharp 1660C lathe. It's got power carriage, tailstock, steady rest. It's in good shape. Right now has 3-jaw chuck on it. Has the Fagor XY digital readout. We're just turning the cross slide and then the carriage. Speed changers, thread changers. Set the lead screw. Foot brake. And it also has the a coolant system. So we're going to give it a little run for you. Running it right now at slow speed. It's slow, right? Yeah, carriage is just barely moving. There we go. All right, Ray, why don't we see if we can fire it up a little bit faster. There we go. Wheel is rolling. Truck is rolling. CRO is rolling. This is lot 119A. Sharp 1660C lathe. Be the last bidder and you got it.